Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.5, page number 151. Question number 8. In figure 6.54, so this is the figure 6.54, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square. So let us join OA plus OB square. So we have to join BOB plus OC square. Also we have to join OC. Minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So first let us join OA, OB and OC. So we have joined OA, OB and OC. Okay, first let us write the given part. So in triangle ABC, we have OD perpendicular to BC and OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. To prove, so we need to prove the first one here. Proof so here we have to prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. OA. So we find OA in triangle OAE as well as in triangle AFO, isn't it? Yes. So in triangle AOE, we have angle E 90 degree. So AO will be the hypotenuse and the other sides are AE and OE. So do we find AE here? No. OE, only OE we find it here, but we don't find AE here. So we cannot consider this triangle. Let us consider this triangle where we find the side OA, that is the triangle AOF. So in this triangle we have angle F is equal to 90 degree. So the hypotenuse will be OA and the other sides are OF and AF. So do we find the two sides OF and AF here? Yes, we have OF and AF. So we have to consider this triangle. So in triangle AOF, angle F is equal to 90 degree. So AO is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. Let us consider this as 1. Next is OB. So, where do we find OB here? So, OB is in triangle BOD as well as in triangle BOF. So, in triangle BOF, we have angle F is 90 degree, and then the hypotenuse is OB, and the other sides are OF and BF. So we find OF, but we don't find here the side BF. So we cannot consider this triangle. Let us consider this triangle, that is BOD. So here we have angle D as 90 degree angle. So the hypotenuse is OB and the other sides are OD and BD. So we have here OD and BD. So we have to consider this triangle. So in triangle BOD, by Pythagoras theorem, we say that OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. So this, let us take this as 2. And next is OC. So we find the side OC in triangle OCE and in triangle OCD. So here in triangle OCD, we have angle D which is equal to 90 degrees. So OC will be the hypotenuse. The other sides are OD and CD. So we find OD here, but we don't find CD. So we cannot consider this triangle. Let us consider this triangle, that is triangle COE. So here we have angle E which is equal to 90 degree and OC is the hypotenuse and the other sides are OE and EC. So we find here OE and EC, that is CE and EC are one and the same. Okay, so let us consider this triangle, that is in triangle EOC or COA. We have OC square is equal to, since it is a right angle triangle, we have OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. Let us consider this as 3. Now adding 1, 2 and 3. So let us add 1, 2 and 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3, we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to OF square plus AF square plus BD square plus OD square plus OE square plus CE square. So we have this in left hand side and this is on the right hand side. So now let us shift OD square, OE square and OF square to the left hand side. So let us keep this as it is, OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Here let us shift my plus OD square to the left hand side. It becomes minus OD square, and then plus OE square again to the left hand side. It becomes minus OE square, and then OF square. When we shift it to left hand side, it becomes minus OF square, which is equal to, so what is remaining on the right hand side? It is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So we have proved, isn't it? So hence proved. So you have this as a homework, students. Thank you, students.